Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what these are is some bamboo charcoal air purifier bags that you can use to put it on your clothes or near your clothes or put it into your shoe. Basically anywhere you want to like remove any kind of like odor or whatever, these are super useful. So the one that I have right here comes in a huge pack of a bunch of these, but each pack as you can see comes in 2 of these right here. And I've actually been using these for a really long time, so I know that actually works really well. And this one doesn't have like that hole or that little slot to actually hang it somewhere. So usually for these bags, they have that little slot where it's actually hanging on somewhere. So if you can see just like these right here, and they come in different sizes as well. So it usually comes in like these small packets right here, or it comes in a big one like these. And for these big ones, you can basically use it anywhere. But where I usually put these is I usually hang it near like the clothes and everything to remove the odor if there's any. And sometimes I even use these to like put it into my boots that usually has like a huge hole to like fit it in. Whereas for these small ones, I can also hang it as well. But usually I put these and leave it into the shoe to remove any kind of odor in the shoe. But this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually show you guys a quick test on how to actually use it first and how I actually use it. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I got the bags here as you can see. So you guys can just basically put it into a shoe like this. And then you guys are all set there. Another option you guys have is just to hang it somewhere like this if you guys want to. And just leave it like that if you guys have clothes nearby. That way it can absorb any of the odor, the moisture, and everything else. But this is mainly the thing that I use it for, to kind of just leave it here to absorb any of the moisture and odor. And also, like I mentioned, I do put it into boots as well if it fits like that. So that's another situation where I can use these bigger bags compared to the smaller one that we have right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see how I actually use the product itself. It's very simple. If you guys can see, you guys can either just hang it somewhere like near the clothes or anywhere you want to remove odor. Or you can just slide it into like your sandal, your shoes, your boots, or whatever. And it really does work. Like obviously it doesn't work like immediately in like 1 second, but if you guys leave it like overnight, it definitely does work. Obviously the longer you guys leave it into your shoes or clothes, it actually works even better. And what's really cool about these bags is the fact that they are reusable. So once you guys use these for a while, what you guys want to do is leave it outdoor in the sun. Let the sun shine on these and like kill any of the germs and everything, so that way I can actually reuse these products. And not only does this bag help you guys remove odors, but it also help you guys avoid the moistures and everything to keep your shoe, your clothes, or whatever dry for a longer period of time. And it's so small and compact, so you can basically use this anywhere. You guys can use this at home, in the office, in your car, wherever you guys want to. You guys can definitely use it almost anywhere. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of like natural bamboo air purifier bags are super worth it. Especially if you guys like sweat a lot, you guys produce a lot of odors in your clothes, or if you guys produce a lot of odors in your shoes. These are super helpful and actually does work. You won't believe it until you try it for yourself, so I do recommend these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for unboxing and testing the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. It definitely helps this video and channel out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.